Yes, hello members, welcome back. Today's video we want to learn through something small, that is YouTube. So the objectives of our session right now will be uh, one, how do we use YouTube? Although before using, how do you create a YouTube channel? Actually, no, we are not going to look into that now because we had a previous video. For those who have not been following us, there's a previous video which is talking about creation of YouTube channel. So here now we are just going to see how we can open a YouTube channel, can sign in a YouTube channel. Yes, then briefly we shall also look at how YouTube channels at some point help us. Okay, yeah, the impact can be to students, mainly to students and other people as well. Okay, so now a YouTube channel is more like an app. It is an app which helps basically uh, in learning a lot, because through YouTube channel we can access tutorials made in forms of videos, presentations. Okay, yeah, it is a more, it's also basic sites for learning. Okay, yeah, so how can we get into YouTube channel? How can we get into YouTube? Okay, you may not have a channel, but you may use it to always follow certain contents and fact and information you wanna view from YouTube. Can be helpful also in accessing news, so many things. So for you to have an active YouTube in your account, first of all you need to have the app of YouTube in case you are using a phone, but from the laptops you can access them online when you just type YouTube. Type, for example, when you go to your Google account, obviously first of all the first thing you need to do, when you, assuming you have a new gadgets like a laptop or a phone, you need to first have a Google account. So Google account is the one that can make you access all these services they control. So you need to first have your Google account. You can either just type YouTube. Okay, when you have your Google account you can type YouTube and you can easily access, or you can just go straight up to here, up to you, Google account apps. You can also access it here. Okay, so in new devices you always find now the app already. Okay, the YouTube app, these are the apps. YouTube, I mean Google apps, these are the apps that you can access them from Google. Okay, yeah, and YouTube is also one of them. So here what you have to do, if it's a new gadget, you need to sign in using your email. Okay, you need to sign in, you need to use your email. But for this one, if I click, mine has already been signed, so it will just go straight to my YouTube account. You understand? Yes, my YouTube account already signed in Google, and a Google account. But if it was a new device, it would have asked you sort of things like you have to put in your email address, you need to put in your password, so that you can easily access them, for it to give you authority and access to its service. So here YouTube is open, you can watch, you can do what, you can type whatever you want, you can watch tutorials, you can look for whatever you want. You find a number of them online and you choose the best content you feel it is really appropriate and has some meaning for you. So members, that is briefly about YouTube. Thank you so much for listening. We still have more videos ahead, like around for us to wind up our presentations for based on our objectives. But Still don't forget to subscribe so that we meet in the next video, for you not to miss other contents which are still remaining. Thank you so much. Subscribe and like the page. See you in the next video.